living out in the middle of the Pacific, there haven't been a lot of home battery options in the marketplace. And so having a new storage option that's readily available and in stock here in Hawaii is a big game changer. It's Franklin Home Power. It's a 13.6 kilowatt hour battery, so it's very robust and big enough for most families to back up their entire home. It's best in class because of the user experience for both the installer and the homeowner.
You know, the A-gate is something that I've never came across before, and it's an awesome thing. You know, being lightweight is easier for us to install. The batteries, the way they fit, their shape and size, it's awesome.
This product is a real big differentiator in the marketplace because it has a lot of functions that other batteries do not offer. The units are set up for easy installation right out of the box. There's no need to upgrade the main service panel, and the system is designed to easily connect to rooftop solar arrays without having to deal with high voltage DC connections. We have eliminated all of the extra BOS, and we provide only 2 SKUs. One is the battery and the other is the controller. So it makes the installation process super simple. There's no extra components. We have built-in CTs that monitor everything that's tied into the system. So you can see your solar production as well as your battery and generator, or anything that's tied to your A-gate is easily accessible to either turn on or off via the app or to monitor. The Franklin Home Power has customized apps that offer comprehensive controls, including a smart circuit design that provides load control and generator control.
It's sleek and it's newer technology. Just the way that it's put together, you know, it's nothing too complicated to where you'd be scratching your head standing still for a while, figuring out where which wire goes. As far as everything getting to each equipment, it's basically hassle-free.
The Franklin Home Power uses an LFP, lithium iron phosphate composition for the battery chemistry. It's extremely safe, it's extremely reliable, and it's long-lasting. The battery systems are fully expandable and can be used with or without a PV system for both on-grid and off-grid applications. So you can use any generator to recharge the battery in the event of an outage. Nobody else on the market has that function and is able to offer that feature. Franklin Home Power sets itself apart from the rest by offering in-person installation support at the time of install, as well as online and phone support, ensuring that installations go smoothly and customers are happy. Franklin also provides headquarters and RMA support, so installers can focus on installing while we handle the rest. Franklin Home Power systems also come with a cloud-based service to remotely track system health and performance. Everything was taken into consideration to make the user experience top-notch.
You know, it's less work, less material that we have to bring out. Mainly, it's just 2 to 3 components. Honestly, I want to put it on my house. You know, it's such an awesome system. Everyone out here in Hawaii is definitely going to benefit.